Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today, I will show you how to set up any third-party identity provider for logging in with SSO. In my case, I will be using Google. So the first thing we need to do is we need to head over to our Titan dashboard, go to Settings, Integrations, and scroll down and find the option for SSO. Next, we need to click Authenticate. Now, while setting up your IDP, you will need the access URL and the provider entity ID. So let me quickly set up our Google SSO and I will be back. So I set up my SSO with Google, and you can find many resources online on how to do that. But the result is this XML file, which holds some very important information. So let's open it. And you'll see from here what we need to extract is two things. Firstly, we need our certificate, which I will copy and paste under certificate. And next thing we need is our login URL, which you can find right here. So let me copy that. And I will paste it under login URL. Now before we apply, we have to test to make sure it's working. And we see we're authenticated, and now we can hit apply. So that's the SSO setup done. Next thing we need to do is we need to enable it on a project. So let's head over to just any project. Let's go to Project Settings, User Access, and Enable SSO. Here, when you open this, it will authenticate, and we really don't need to configure anything here, but we can pass some values from Google back into our project. In my case, I will leave it as is and publish our project. So let me copy the URL, and I'll open a different browser. And you can see when I try to access my project, it's asking me to choose an account. I will choose my Form Titan account because that's where I set up my SSO. And you can see I now have access to my project. Let's try doing this again with a different account. And you can see I'm unauthorized. And that's how it's done.